If you're managing a facility, you know that heavy grease can be a safety hazard and a drain on your team's time. You've tried to tackle industrial buildup with standard cleaners, only to find that the oil just smears around instead of lifting. When you're dealing with that level of soil, you need a solution built for it. That's why we made State 999. This is a high-performance, concentrated degreaser designed to hit grease at the molecular level. It breaks down the bond between the grime and the surface, turning a difficult scrub into a quick rinse. Available in ready-to-use form with a citrus scent, or in concentrated form in multiple sizes, fragrance-free. Easily pairable with State's one-solution dilution system. It's tough enough for the heaviest industrial zones in your plant, non-flammable and safe on metal, vinyl, plastic, and even painted surfaces, which means your team can use one reliable product across the entire facility. State 999 gives the power to clear the grease fast and move on to the next work order. It has been a trusted industry standard for decades because it works every time. Now, visit www.stateindustrial.com to check out State 999 and our complete line of solutions for every part of your facility.